Good evening everyone. The topic for today's video is do while loop in Java. Public name public static void main string r throws java.io dot exception. This is an exception for Java input and output. Java.io dot exception. Okay, now here I am declaring four variables char, ch, ignore, answer is equal to k. So I am declaring four variables char, data type I am using char, char, ch, comma, ignore, comma, answer is equal to k, semicolon, do. Now this is the starting of the do loop. System.out.println, I am thinking of a letter between a and z. So this is system.out.println, I am printing it out. System.out.println, can you guess it? This is another system.out.println. ch is equal to char.system.in.read. So I am taking in the value in the form of the char data type. It can be int, it can be double, it can be float, it can be anything. I am taking in the value inside the Java program using a char data type. Do another do loop, as you can see, ignore is equal to char system.out.in.read. So this will ignore the value for a while. For some time it will ignore the value of that. For a while the value will get ignored. While ignore not equal to n. So as long as it is not equal to ignored, if char is equal to answer system.out.println right. So the answer, the correct value of that answer is k, as you have seen here. I'll change it in this video. I'll also show you a demo after changing it. And else if char is equal to answer system.out.println right, else system.out.println sorry you are too low. So sorry you are too low. If char is less than answer system.out.println too low. So if it is less than answer, it is too low. So here as you can see, it will get executed once. Do loop will get executed at least once. एक बार ये चलेगा ही चलेगा. After that the while loop will get executed. Else system.out.println too high, system.out.println try again while char is equal to ch. So here I am using do loop, I am using if else loop, I am using while loop, I am using all the three loops together. So this is a Java program where you will find all the three loops in a single program. I'll explain it again in as you can see. हिंदी में मैं एक बार explain कर देता हूँ. मैं चार variables यहाँ पे बना रहा हूँ. चार ch, ignore, answer is equal to k, do. सबसे पहले दो यहाँ पे do loops है इस प्रोग्राम के अंदर. System.out.println, I'm thinking of a letter between a and z. System.out.println, can you guess it? Char is equal to system.in.read. तो यहाँ पे वैल्यू मैं इनपुट करा के रीड ले रहा हूँ. Do ignore is equal to char system.in.read, while ignore is equal to slash n. If char is equal to answer system.out.println right, if while ignore is equal to n. If char is equal to answer system.out.println right, else system.out.println if char is less than answer system.out.println too low, else system.out.println too high, system.out.println try again. So I'll run it. इसको मैं चला के दिखा देता हूँ आपको. I'll run this program once. I'm thinking of a letter between a and z. I'll put it k, right. So this is the do loop. This is the area where the do loop got executed at least once. I'll run it again. Sorry you are too high, try again. B will be too low, A will be too low, C will be too low, like this up to k. Okay, so here I'm changing the value of k. Let's make it z. Let's see what happens. I'll save it. It will be too low only. It will not come out to be too high. Okay, you are too low, try again. Let's see what happens with zz. Okay, zz will be right. Okay, right. Okay, so please subscribe to my channel, please like the video, and thanks a lot for watching. Goodbye.